Hello friends, welcome to Abacus with Kashish. Today's session is about small friends in Abacus. In the last video, we had done counting on Abacus that was very simple and easy, and I hope you guys would have learned it well. In that video, I also showed you how to do simple addition and subtraction on Abacus. But in case you have forgotten how to do it, we'll revise it and then we'll go on to the concept of small friends. So, as we've already learned the counting, it's like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, and so on. There are so many rods, and we can make so many more numbers with it. Now, how to do simple addition and subtraction that doesn't involve any formula or any difficult or a thing that you have to learn. It is very simple. It is very simple. Very. Now, what we'll do here is we'll take a question, um, 3 plus 1 minus 4. So, I hope you have already done that. 3 plus 1 minus 4 is a very easy question, but how do we do it in Abacus? Let's learn that. So, as we've already learned how to make 3, so 3, then we have to add 1 in it. So, what we'll do, we'll use this bead here to add 1. We have add 1 here, then we have to subtract 4 from it, so we'll just subtract 4 from it. So our answer is 0 here. If we take another question, 6 minus 5 plus 2, so 6, then minus 5, so minus 5, then plus 2, so our answer is 3. This is how you do simple addition. Let's take a example of 2-digit number. 64 minus 30. Now, here I have said minus 30. So, in this case, I'll have to use small friends, but since we don't have to use small friends, we'll do a simpler equation. So, let's do 64 minus 14. So, 64, we have already said that on our abacus. Now, minus 14. So minus 14. Our answer is 50. So, it is very simple to do addition and subtraction on abacus when it is with no formulas. With formulas also it is very easy, but the thing is you'll have to learn the formulas so that you do your calculations very clearly. So now we're moving on to small friends. Before moving on to small friends, I want to share with you guys that you have to learn the formulas. Without learning the formulas, you cannot do it, because if you don't learn the formulas, then how are you going to perform on abacus? So simple, will start with the number 1 and will end on the number 4, and I'll tell you the reason as well. So whenever we talk about small friends in abacus, we talk about small numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these all are small numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why we'll only do till 4, because in small friends it only includes 4 numbers, that is 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now, in small friends, there we also include 5, but it is not included as a formula in there. It is included as a speciality that is called as a base number. Now, what is a base number and how will we form formulas? We'll have to see that. So, currently 5 is a base number. So, we are talking about the formulas from 1 to 4. So, obviously, we'll only add 1 in here. But if we talk about the base number 5, what is that? So base number is basically how we form our formulas, because you have to subtract something from it, you have to add something in it. So that is the main point here, that base number is something that we form formulas with. So if I want to say that I want to add 1 in 4, I guess, let's say 4. So in this I don't have any beads present over here. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to add 1 with the help of small friends. Now if we see the formula, small friends 1 plus 1. I forgot to tell you guys that there is a differentiation between minus 1 and plus 1, so learn that accordingly. Plus 1 is what we are going to do here right now. So I'll tell you a very easy quick method of learning all the formulas in abacus. So see what you're gonna have to do. The formula of plus 1 is minus 4 plus 5, so the answer is 5. But how did I do that? what do we do in big friends also, in small friends also? We subtract the partner and add the base number. What do? We subtract the partner and we add the base number. So our one's partner is 4. So what did I do? Here I subtracted the number 4, which was the partner, and then I added the number 5, which was the base number. So we got the answer 5 here. As I have already shown you in my other videos when I was teaching in the class, I showed you multiple times that what is the partner, what is the base number, what are small friends, what are big friends. But still, I'll drop a chart in the description so you can check and see what are the formulas and what you're gonna have to learn to do the calculations on Abacus properly with the help of small friends. So our partner for one our partner for 1 was 4, and our base number for all the small friend numbers is 5. So if I have to do 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now in 4 I have to add 1. I've already told you before. What will we do? We'll subtract the partner, add the base number, which will be 5. Then our answer will also be 5. Our base number is also 5. What a coincidence, right? Now we'll move on to the number 2. So 2's partner is 3, and the formula for 2 will be subtract the partner, add the base number, so it will be minus 3 plus 5. So in 1, if I have to add 2, I can add it directly. 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2. Now I don't have enough beads, so many people will say we can do this 2 beads. No, this is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. We cannot do this because this is the value of 5 here. So what will we do? We'll take the help of small friends and we'll do the equation here. So what was the formula? Minus 3 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5. Our answer is 5. Similarly, if in 4 I have to add 2, what will I do? Minus 3 plus 5. Now here please concentrate. Every child, like not every but almost every child makes this mistake here. What do? They just subtract the whole number here and add 5. But 4 plus 2 is not 5 and it is 6. And the formula that I've also told you, you have not put here correctly. What you actually have to do here is you have to minus the partner. So 4 is not the partner of 2. What is the partner of 2? 3. So what we'll do? Minus 3 plus 5. So our answer is 6. Similarly, in 5, if I had to do, it will be 7 and so on. But we are not going that further because then it will include big friends that you have been not taught right now. You have to learn small friends first. Concentrate on peeling one thing first, and then you will peel the whole orange and eat it then. Simple. So I hope the formula of 2 is clear. Now we'll move to 3. So as 2's partner was 3, then 3's partner will be obviously 2. So similarly, the formula will be subtract the partner and add the base numbers. So minus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4. We did it directly. 2 plus 3 is what? Well, you have to use the formula of small friends. So what was the formula for 3? Minus 2 plus 5. So our answer here will be 5. In 3, if I have to add 3, then our answer will be 6 because we'll use the formula of small friends. That will be minus 2 plus 5 and our answer will be 6. If we have to do 4 plus 3, then what will be our answer? It will be 7. How will it be 7? Minus 2 plus 5. Our answer is 5 to 7. Okay? This was the formula of 3. Now moving on to the formula of 4, the last formula of small friends, and a very easy formula. Okay? It starts from the number 1 itself, because if we have to add 4 and 1, we don't have enough beads here. So now what will we do? We'll first see the partner of 4. So the partner of 4 is 1, correct, because 1's partner is 4, so obviously 4's partner will be 1 only. Now if I have to add 4 and 1, how will we do that? We have to give the formula yourself. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Correct. Our formula will be -1 plus 5, because we have to subtract the partner at the base number, and our partner was 1 and the base number was 5. So -1 plus 5, and our answer is 5. 2 plus 4, -1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 4, -1 plus 5, 6. 7, sorry, 7. 4 plus 4, -1 plus 5, 8. This is how you do all the small friends. Now, many times you will have a question ki, ma'am, how will we do 23 plus 30? How will we do that? Simple. You'll use the formula small friend only. 23 plus 30. Now 3, 0, 30. तो हम what we'll do? We'll take these as individual numbers. So 2 plus 3, how will we do? -2 plus 5. Then 0 plus 3, 3. 53. Now if I have to do 14 plus 45, 45, 59. So what I mean here is the formula stays same. मतलब the formula stays same का मतलब is that on every rod that you do, the formula will not change. There will be not any change, and you will use the same formula when you're doing on any rod. Either it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. It is up to you which number you're doing, but yes, the formula will stay same. Now, I had not told you about this in the previous class, but I'm telling you in this class, you will have it out that why aren't we using this side rods? Because these are for decimals, and decimals come in higher levels. So we'll learn about decimals when we have mastered this side of our abacus. Okay? So decimals will come later. First we'll focus on small friends only, and as I have taught you small friends now, so what is your homework for today? You'll sit, write the small friends in your copy, learn them properly, and then practice them on your abacus. You can drop any question in the comment section below. I will respond to every query of yours, so you don't have any problem doing abacus. Now, what we'll do is we'll do some questions based on small trends, so that it becomes clear to you what you exactly have to do. So, our first question is 4 plus 1 plus 3. So, 4 plus 1. Now, plus 1, how will you do? -4 plus 5, correct? And then plus 1. So, 6. 4 plus 1 plus 1. I don't remember the question, so if my question is wrong, I am really sorry. But I don't remember the question, so we're just changing it a bit. 4 plus 1 plus 1. So, it's just 6 right now. Although I remember it to be 4 plus 1 plus 3, we'll do that as well. 4 plus 1 plus 3. 8. Simple. Now if I have to do 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now how will I do 2 plus 3? Easy. 2, then plus 3 minus 2 plus 5, then 4. 9. Our answer is 9. If we want to add more further, if I say in this you have to add 9, then we'll have to use big friends, and the answer will be 18, but we are not using it right now because it is very confusing if you learn both the friends right now. So we'll stay on small friends. If you have any questions, like any equation, not like questions, queries obviously, but if you have any equations like I did right now, 2 plus 3 plus 4, drop them in the comment section. I'll answer to all of it, and maybe cover that question in the next class as well. Now let's take one more question, but that will be a big question. We'll do it on the hundreds rod because I've already explained every rod in the previous class. Okay, so on the hundreds rod, 3 1 2 3 1 2 plus 2 5 4. So 3 1 2 plus 2 5 4. So 2 here, 2 5 and then 4. 566 is our answer. 566 is our answer when we did 312 plus 254. Okay, so this is how we do it. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more further, you can enroll to Abacus with Kashish classes. And I will be your teacher, Kashish Garg. And I hope that you will join. So thank you all for today. Bye bye. Have a great day, and please study and also enjoy, because if you don't enjoy, then you can focus on studying. So enjoy and study. Bye bye. Have a great day.